Hi everyone, I am Junrei G. Noel and I am the eighth reporter of the Lesson 3 topic. So my topic is all about what is a good strategy. So good strategy is about matching the company's strength to the available opportunities. Once it able to establish specific values related to its business offerings within the four quadrants of SWOT analysis, the company can develop a strategic plan based on the information learned. For instance, once the inherent strengths are identified, a business can use them to grab the opportunities best suited to its organizations, successfully minimizing the potential exposure related to threats. In the same manner, by means of identifying companies' weaknesses in relation to external threats, one can work out a plan that will get rid of or lessen them while improving defensive strategies related to the offerings. So, a good strategy helps a company's what it's good at strength to take advantage of opportunities in the markets. So it also helps the company fix or reduce its weaknesses and protect itself from threats. So this is done using the SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So there are types of SWOT strategies. So number one is the SO strategy, that stands for strengths plus opportunities strategy. Number two is the weaknesses plus opportunities, or WO strategy. Number three is the ST strategy, or strengths plus threats. And lastly is the WT strategy, or stands for weaknesses plus threats. So first is we discuss about the SO strategies. So every company wants to get benefit from its resources. Such benefit can only be gained if its strength is employed to grab external opportunity. Resources or assets are important. Companies' strength to obtain opportunity for external resources. For instance, the company enjoying a good financial health is a strength for a firm, and externally has an opportunity to expand business. The strong financial position provides an opportunity to expand the business. The match strategy is known as the SO strategy. So the SO strategy is their objective is to leverage internal strength to capitalize on external opportunities. So meaning they use their strength to take advantage of the opportunities. Like for example is a company with strong finances using its money to open new branches or buy another business. So their purpose is to maximize resource utilization for growth and competitive advantage. So next is the WO strategies. So WO strategy stands for weaknesses plus opportunities strategy. So WO strategy is created to match weakness with opportunities of company. So WO strategy is very helpful if the company takes advantage to external resources in order to prevail over the weakness. So for instance, the company is in a serious financial problem which is weakness, so the company may avail merger with a multinational corporation. So the WO strategies, or weaknesses plus opportunities, is their objective is to address the internal weaknesses by tapping into external opportunities. So it means that they have to fix their weaknesses by using outside opportunities. Like for example, a company with money problems partners with a bigger company to stay afloat and grow. So their purpose is to convert vulnerabilities into strengths through collaboration or innovation. So next is the SD strategies, or stands for strengths plus threats. So SD strategies are essential strategy to rise above external threats. This does not mean that a strong organization should always meet threats in the external environment directly. This strategy is implemented by different colleges and universities by opening new branches in order to overcome competitive threat. So these threats are also explained by Porter in its competitive model. So as this strategy is their objective is to use their strengths to counteract external threats. So meaning they had to use their strength to protect against the threats. For example is a university with a strong reputation opens new campuses to stay ahead of competitors. So their purpose is to defend market share and reinforce resilience against challenges. So last but not the least, the WT strategies, or stands for weaknesses plus threats. So every company has an aspiration to overcome its weakness and reducing threats. This type of strategy is helpful when weaknesses are removed to overcome external threats. It is difficult to form WT strategy. For instance, weak distribution network create many trouble for the company if its strong external threats can be removed. So the objective of WT strategy, or weaknesses threats, is to minimize the weaknesses and avoid threats. So meaning they have to reduce weaknesses and avoid a threats to the company. Like for example, a company with a poor delivery systems improves logistics to avoid losing customers to competitors. So their purpose is to reduce risk exposure and stabilize operations. And for the conclusion, so SWOT analysis is more than diagnostic tool. So it is a strategic compass whether a company is expanding, defending, partnering, or instructing. Aligning its with strategy with SWOT insights ensures the purposeful and informed action. So that's all. Thank you.